This is my second video of polynomial advanced level combined maths, especially for the 2022 students. Already complete the first video earlier. Those new subscribers, subscribe this and you can see the previous videos, and along with the my tutorials you can take from the Facebook page. That's there in the description. You can go through and find where the tute can be uploaded or downloaded. Okay. So we'll see the remaining problem, the theorem. I showed today the question number 6 in my tute, problem number 6. You can see my tute, or the question is this: the expression 4x cubed plus ax square minus 5x plus b divided by 2x plus 3 balance is minus 8. When the expression 4x cubed plus ax square minus 5x plus b divided by 2x plus 3, the remainder is minus 8. The same expression divided by x minus 3, remainder is 10. Then find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b, right? Important question. Last video I shown only one particular equation type. Here see two unknowns, a and b are unknowns, then you need two equations to solve, right? So we write the identity form, that method, the expression of polynomial equal to quotient into divisor plus the remainder. So here 4x cubed plus ax square minus 5x plus b, that is identically equal to, that expression equal to divisor into quotient plus the balance, right? I say when you divide this by 2x plus 3, the answer or the quotient I say 5x, but you have two equation needed. First case I say 1x into divisor 2x plus 3 plus the balance. See first equation. Those newcomers better finish the first video, hence join here second one, because I shown many in the last videos. Also I complete some polynomial lessons through 2-3 videos. So this is the formula in this case. The same one is divided by x minus 3 balance 10. So write that form. So 4x cubed plus ax square minus 5x plus b equal to what? Answer into divisor. I say answer is quotient here 5 2, like this, right? So we won't bother about the answer, right? We won't think so many about the answer. It becomes real 0 later. Okay, this any polynomial can be shown this pattern, divisor into quotient plus the remainder, right? That's why it's a second equation, more important equation in this case. Now try to find the a, b values. Build up two equations, two simultaneous equations. How the first one? We won't find about this answer part, the quotient part not necessary. Therefore make this 0. How it becomes 0? If you put x forward, 2x4 minus 3. If you apply 2x4 minus 3, what is 2x4 minus 3 mean? X is minus 3 over 2. Okay, put x4 minus 3 over 2. If x equal minus 3 over 2 in 1, okay, the first equation substitute x4 minus 3 over 2. So here 4 minus 3 over 2 cube plus a minus 3 over 2 square minus 5x is minus 3 over 2 plus b equal, put x4 minus 3 over 2, this is 0, this becomes 0 minus 8. Okay, and now build up first equation. How this 4 This is minus 27 over 8. Okay. And plus, here square is 9. Okay. 9a over 4. Minus plus 15 over 2 plus b equal to minus 8. Okay. We got this 4 here, not twice, right? So minus 27 over 2 plus 9a over 4 plus 15 over 2 plus b equal 8. Now try linear form, your order maths idea, linear form equation in terms of a and b. Okay, multiply by 2. What about this 15 and minus 27? That is 12. Minus 2, is it minus 12? No, minus 12. Multiply by 2, therefore here minus 12. Suppose 6, or can write that 12 over 12 means 6 minus 27 plus 15 is what? Minus 12 divided by 2 minus 6 therefore. Plus 9a over 4 plus b equal to 8. Okay. Now rearrange, give the one simultaneous type equation. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 4 it becomes 9a plus 4b. Multiply by 4, LCM is 4, multiply by 4. Here what? 32. Multiply by 4, 32. Here 24 that side. Or otherwise take this that side and multiply by 4, 14 times 4, 96. This is one equation. Create the idea, right? How to solve such a pair of solution you have to collect. You need two equations in terms of A and B. This is one equation involving first data. Now similar method for the second equation. Make this 0. Put x4 3. If you put x4 3 it becomes 0. So x4 3 in second equation. What is that? 4. Put x4 3 and see. x4 3 27, right? 27 4 times 108. 9a x4 3 minus 15 plus b 10. Okay, it's part 0. So what is that? 9a plus b equal, what is that? 108. Subtract 15. Take other side, therefore minus 83. Check that. That's all I can show here, the advanced mathematics. Two simultaneous equations available. So solve and find that's primary grade 9-10 work. Get the two equations, solve, find the values of A and B. This the method is a reminder theorem question, right? Okay, stop the video and see, try 7th question. Stop the video and try. I show now 7th problem is my tube. 7th question. The expression x cubed plus ax square plus bx minus 3 leaves a remainder 7, right? When divided by x minus 2. When divided by x minus 2, there's a balance, they say 7. Complete that sentence first. Therefore, polynomial equal to, identically equal to, we say answer is 51x into divisor plus the balance is 7. See number 1, first equation, right? The polynomial divided by that, answer is 7. Remainder is 7, right? Question number 7, the expression x cubed plus ax square plus bx minus 3 leaves a remainder 7 when divided by x minus 2. That is one data. Also they said, and a remainder minus 20 when divided by x plus 1. This divided by x plus 1, remainder is minus 20. So what is that? X cube plus ax square plus bx minus 3. So I say answer 5 to answer into dividing the second occasion x plus 1. X plus 1. Now here the remainder is minus 20. Okay. Now what the question is, calculate the remainder when this divided by x minus 1. These two data available. Later they ask, find the remainder when the given expression divided by x minus 1. Something different between, if we compare the previous question number 6, is 7, not the same, little bit more this part. So very first we find the a, b values. By solving find the a and b values, then you know what is the expression. A what, b what, then you know the expression cubic polynomial. Later we will find what the balance when divided by x minus 1, right? X minus 1. Okay. Now follow the previous question and do the work. Stop the video, try it. I hope you work. If you watch my previous video, I said where is my tutorial available. If you download or you saw those things, you can answer before this video. So the main part, remove this quotient part 0. Put x4 to become 0. So if x is 2, if x equal to, in equation number 1, what happened? Put x4 to 8. x4 to x square, 4 into a, 4a. x4 to 2b minus 3. But it becomes 0. We won't bother about the quotient part. We need the remainder part only. That's why we are making this 0, right? That's size 7. So what's your equation? First equation, 4a plus 2b equal to what? 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 3, 5, that's size 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. 4a is 8 minus 3, 5. So I can divide by 2 also. I can divide by 2 also. Wait, we'll see the second and check how its equation becomes. Now come to second equation, make this 0. Put x4 minus 1. Put x4 minus 1. If x equal minus 1, here what? Minus 1 square 1a minus b minus 3 equal, this part is 0, right? Minus 20. I can say this a minus b equal to what? Here minus 4. Minus 4, that side plus 4, therefore minus 16. This is my second equation. Then better you can divide by 2 here. Now see, here my a, 1b, only 1a, 1b, therefore better divide by 2 everywhere. Divide by 2. So 2a plus b equal to 1. See first equation. That's all. So here I want to complete the problem because the other part available. So solve and find a and b. If you add the both, add these two equations, 1 plus 2. B cancel, 3a equal minus 15. Therefore a equal minus 5. Is it? A equal, so those complete, check with me, correct it. A minus 5. So what is b? Therefore applying the the second equation. What is a equal? Minus 16. If you put b, a4. What is here? Minus b equal. This is primary work, your grade 9, 10 maths. A4 minus 5. Eh? Take this side plus 5. Minus 5 is 11. Minus here plus 5 here. So check that b becomes 11. B is 11, right? So very first we will complete the a and b. Therefore the polynomial is 1. If I say fx cube, function of x cube plus a4 minus 5 x square b4 11 x minus 3. This is the polynomial, the cubic function, power 3 polynomial, right? Now the last part is, if this is divided by x minus 1, what is the balance? Find the remainder. So we write that pattern. I say the answer is 5x. And what the balance? I gave the last brief note, previous video. If any polynomial divided by a linear expression, answer is a constant, right? Answer is a number. So complete that part. Therefore, you can write a sentence. If the above polynomial divided by x minus 1, let the quotient is 5x and the remainder is r. Let the quotient is 5x and the remainder is r. Therefore, equate it. X cubed minus 5x square plus 11x minus 3, answer into divisor, plus the balance is our polynomial, linear polynomial divisor. Therefore value remainder is a constant, right? Now we find the r value and the idea, make this 0, make this part is 0. We don't know what is 5x, that's a symbolic part only, right? So here put x for 1 minus 1, 0, everything 0. You can find r. So if x is 1, what is that? 1 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3, that side r. 1 minus 5 minus 4, here minus 7, then what that 11 4, r is 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 7, that is 4 4. That's the part. Question number 7 is my tune, right? See question number 8. Next problem 8. Question number 8. X cubed plus ax square plus 7 leaves a remainder of 2p when divided by x plus 1, right? When divided by x plus 1, balance is 2p. And leaves a remainder p plus 5 when divided by x minus 2. Calculate the values of a and p. A similar fashion what we done in the previous question. This expression divided by x plus 1, balance is 2p. Second occasion divided by p plus 5, balance is x minus 2. So build up two equation and solve. So that x cubed plus ax square plus 7 identically equal to answer into divisor x plus 1. The occasion, in this occasion, remainder is 2p plus 2p, right? This is your first equation. See next one. X cubed plus ax square plus 7 answer 5 2x, answer into divisor x minus 2, right? X minus 2, the balance is case p plus 5. These are the two important identities here, ideal equation, identical polynomials. Now make two equations, remove the vanish that answer part or the quotient part, and just make 0. x put minus 1, one equation. Here what? Put x for 2, another equation, right? So if x equal minus 1 in the first equation, put x4 minus 1. And what is that here? Minus 1. Here plus a plus 7. Put x4 minus 0 plus 2p. Okay. So therefore, you can rearrange that. We have to find the a and the p values. So we can keep there, no problem. So in this case, what? A plus 6 equal to 2p, right? I say first equation. Once again, the first equation. A plus 6, okay, equal to 2p. How the second equation makes x for 2, x4 plus 2. If x equal to in second equation, here what? 8. X for 2, 4a plus 7. These are school papers or school exam questions for the first term in your grade 12 lessons. And here put x for 2, 0 plus p plus 5. P plus 5. So rearrange here, you give the 4a, 8 plus 7, 8, 15. Take the 5 here, therefore 10. Plus 10, this is p. That's solved. So you have two simultaneous equations by any mode of solving. Find the a and p values. Can I equate? Can I put p for this? Substitute p for this part in the two. So 1, 2 gives you a plus 6 equal 2 times p. P4, 4a plus 10. 4a plus 10. So that a plus 6 equal 8a plus 20. 8a plus 20. So rearrange, that is 7a equal to minus 14. Is it? A equal minus 2. 8a, 7a here minus a is minus 2, right? Then what is p? Substitute the first or second equation. Second equation, p equal 4 times minus 2 plus 10. Minus 8, therefore 2. A minus 2, but p is positive 2, right? So you have to work before me. Then only interesting. I said last week also that advanced level, you're on. Main part of the student, the teacher. Students more work, more 80% contribute to the students. Only 20 or a small percentage the help from the teacher. That is the way how to learn advanced math, not only mathematics, all physics, chemistry, biology, or whatever it is there. Okay, see question number 9. That problem 9. Problem 9. Problem, the reminder when ax cube plus bx square plus 2x plus 3, this polynomial divide by x minus 1, right? Divide by x minus 1 is twice that divide by x plus 1. An interesting question. Important problem for the juniors. The remainder when ax cube plus bx square plus 2x plus 3 is, when divided by x minus 1 is twice the remainder when divided by x plus 1. Therefore the question shows that b equal 3a plus 3. We have a relation in terms of a and b, right? They given clearly two equation we can build up. When this divided by x minus 1, there is a remainder. That is double that this remainder. We write that form. Write the polynomial pattern. This can be say phi of x into remainder quotient plus the remainder. See that is also ax cube plus bx square plus 2x plus 3 when dividing two different solutions, right? That's why we're putting 5 1 5 2. When you divide with the two different polynomial, different expression, it won't give same answer, right? That's why different answers we call 5 1x, 5 2x, different two answers. X plus 1 and plus the balance plus the remainder. So the idea, they said the second occasion dividing is what the balance, but the remainder is double there in the first occasion. That means here remainder is 5, here remainder is 10, here remainder is 7, there remainder is 14, double. Therefore if I say here r, this is 2r, right? It's the method, right? If any polynomial divided by a linear, answer remainder is a constant part, right? This is the method. Now we build up same solving ideas, build up to equation and solve to give this answer. So how to change this, remove this quotient part, put x for 1, put x for 1 becomes 0 if x is 1. If x equal 1, in first equation, what is that? A plus b plus 2 plus 3, this part is 0, 2r, that is a plus b plus 5 equal 2r. Again I say first equation, right? Now how the second part, remove the quotient part, answer part, make this 0, put x4 minus 1, right? Put x4 minus 1. If x equal minus 1, if x equal minus 1, in second equation, in the second equation put x4 minus 1, right? So what happened is minus a, here square is positive, minus square is positive, 1 times b, here minus 2 plus 3, that side 1r, so minus a plus b, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1, this is our say second equation, right? It's the method. Now I mention or something k or p, therefore remove those things, you can get the answer. So but the easy idea, you can put substitute here or divide 1 by 1. If we divide also r cancel, then there's a relation in terms of a and b. If I show that pattern, I divide. You will learn various methods of solving. Learn many methods of solving ideas. Divide 1 by 2. Divide first equation by second equation. First one is a plus b plus 5. Divide by minus a plus b plus 1. 2r divide by r2. So cross multiple a plus b plus 5 multiple by 2, what happens? Minus 2a plus 2b plus 2. And then take rearrange everything and see, is it okay? Is it okay? 3a this side and 1b that side be equal to 3s. You can get this answer, right? See next question number 10, problem number 10. Question number 10 was that the remainder expression, the expression x square plus bx plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x plus 2 or x minus a, where they say a not equal to minus 2. So not like O-level, dear students, advanced every conditions are important, right? They said here a not equal to minus 2. What happened? We put a for minus 2, what happened? This become expressed to same expression there, not that. They say this polynomial divided by x plus 2, what the balance? This polynomial divided by x minus a, what the balance? The both balance are same, equal reminders, right? Then show that b equal 3a plus 12, a plus b equal to 2. Show this answer. So follow the same idea what the previous problems I shown. So this polynomial equal to divisor, we take x plus 2 first. I say answer 5(1)x into divisor plus the balance, I say r. First equation, right? Second occasion, x square plus bx plus a 2x into x minus a. Here the same reminder is the r. Same reminder, right? Say second equation. So remove the r also. If we equate the both occasion r equal to r, you can go to the answer. So what the idea of this reminder theorem problem? You will remove the answer part, quotient part. So put x forward minus 2. Put x for minus 2 first. If x equal minus 2 in the first equation, what happened? 4 here minus 2b plus a 0 and r there, right? So it's the first equation once again. Next one, put x for minus a here. If x equal minus a, in what? 2, here what? A square plus ab plus a equal to once again r, right? Second equation. Now what both occasions? They said no, same reminder, equal balance, equal reminder. Therefore, equate the both, you can get an equation. If you equate the both, there's a polynomial equation. So 1, 2 gives you a square plus ab plus a equal this one 4 minus 2b plus a. Now you can solve any mode of, see here plus a cancel. Okay, take everything this side, a square, take the 4 this side, minus 4 plus ab minus 2b, is it equal to 0? See how to solve hereafter. You know the factorization. What is a square minus 4 factorization? A minus 2a plus 2, right? A minus 2, a plus 2. Then here what? Take the b out, take the plus b out, common factor. Once again a minus 2 equal to 0. Now see, out of all everything, take the a minus 2 out, take the a minus 2 out. A minus 2 take out, so what the remaining here, a plus 2 plus b is 0. They have some quadratic idea, quadratic equation idea. This 2 becomes 0, this is 0 or the other one is 0. A minus 2 is 0 or the other one, a plus 2 plus b equal to 0. Take the minus 2 that side, a equal to 2. So what is that? A plus b equal to minus 2 is it? Answer minus 2, check that, a minus b. But they say a not equal to 2. The condition available, a not equal to 2 is given, that's why. A not equal, sometimes a minus 2, a plus b. Oh, wrong, yes, plus b, plus 2b. Check this plus 2b. Therefore, take the plus 2 out, plus 2 out. Therefore, a minus 2. Check this, a minus 2. So a plus 2 0, a minus 2 plus b 0. Right? I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Check there. The real problem is this. Therefore, is correct. Here they said you can't take it's not equal. A not they said condition. A not equal to minus 2. Therefore, you can't take that part. So answer a plus b equal to 2. It's okay, right? Okay, see next question number 11. Problem number 11. How that question, the expression x square plus 7x plus 3 has the same remainder whether divided by x minus p or x plus q. If you divide this x minus p, there's the balance. Say for example 5. If you divide by x plus q also, remainder is 5. Same remainder. Then find the value of p minus q. Find the answer of the p minus q. So here also they said the condition p not equal to minus q, right? P not equal to minus q. So build up the polynomial pattern. So I can say the answer 5 1x. Answer into divisor plus the balance is r. Balance is r. Okay. We say first equation. Now take the second occasion. They say x plus q divide that. So same x square with x square polynomial x square plus 7x plus 3. In this occasion, answer into divisor x plus q and plus the balance, let's say same r. Say second equation. Now what? Make part 0, that quotient part remove, vanish, eliminate. Put x for p, x for p. If x equal p in 1, if x equal p in the equation 1, what happened? Put x for p. P square plus 7p plus 3 equal r. Say first equation. Put x for minus q in the second equation. If x equal minus q in second equation, you have that q square minus 7q plus 3 equal once again r. Second equation number 2 here, right? Number 2. Now equate the both. Equate the both. 1, 2 gives you the answer. 1, 2 p square plus 7p plus 3 equal q square minus 7q plus 3. So both occasion 3 cancel. Take all and do some factorization. P square minus q square plus 7p minus 7q. You can factorize p square minus q square, p minus q, p plus q, right? You take the 7 out. Now take the common factor p minus q. So remaining is what? P plus q plus 7, right? Equal to 0. The question is find the value of p minus q. So p plus q, just to equal to 0. So p minus q equal to 0 or p plus q plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, x square plus 7x plus 3 divide by x minus p x plus q. Put x 4p, p square 7p plus 3. Put x 4 minus q, then q square minus 7q plus 3. It's okay. Equate the both. So in this case, once we made a mistake, see that p square minus q square plus 7q. So p minus q, p plus q. You took the 7 out, p plus q. Take the p plus q out, plus 7. P plus q. P plus q take out, p minus q common. Check that. Therefore, p plus q, p minus q. So p minus q equal to minus 7. Just answer here. You can't take this at p not equal to minus q, right? P not equal to minus q. This is question number 11. So dear students, complete one by one. I show all the future videos in this manner. All my tute problems. So you download the tute and try your own. Keep it with solution before come to my solve answers through this YouTube channel. You can check it. It's the very important part, not only for school papers. Later I show you final paper. First question is under reminder theorem, the pure maths paper. So I'll show many more probably other videos.